Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp. So let's get into the video. So if you are fortunate enough to have the latest Meta AI function enabled on your WhatsApp and you don't like it and you want to turn it off, so what you can do, simply open up your WhatsApp, go to your WhatsApp settings. So go to your WhatsApp settings here, just click on settings, and then when you get to settings here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on these chat settings. So when you get to chat settings here, underneath here, so if you have the Meta AI enabled, so under the chat settings you will have another Meta AI. Under the chat there will be a Meta AI toggle switch here, which enables you to turn on and off the Meta AI for you. So since I don't have that function, it's not visible here because it's not launched in my region yet. But if you have enabled it and if you have access to it, then you should see this under the chat settings here. You will see a Meta AI option here, so just click on the toggle switch and then turn that off in order to turn off the Meta AI, and that's pretty much it is. And I hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.